So AI tools like ChatGPT can be a huge help to your business. And in today's video, I want to show you how I use it to actually transform a YouTube transcript into an article for my website. It's only going to take a few minutes, and let's dive in. Okay, so I recently released this YouTube video, which is called Google Ads vs. Microsoft Advertising Update, and I want to show you how I'm able to convert this video into an article using a prompt from the AI online marketing playbook. It's only going to take a few minutes to do, and I'm going to walk you through all the steps right now. Okay, so first things first, what I need to do is I need to go into the AI online marketing playbook, and I'm going to find this prompt right here, which is transforming transcript into web article. And the prompt is, take the provided transcript, and then it says paste transcript here, and transform it into a readable, informative web article aligned with my tone. And then it says paste your tone style here. Make it simple to skim. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this prompt and I'm gonna go into one of my favorite AI tools, which is Claude AI. And I'm simply going to paste this prompt, okay? And then it says that we need to paste the transcript here. So how can I get the transcript of a YouTube video? Well, to do that, all you need to do is go into YouTube, find the video, and then go down where it says show transcript. And then you're gonna find the transcript here with all the timestamps, and you can actually go in and toggle the timestamps off. And so I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna go down and I'm gonna copy this entire transcript here. And so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back into Claude AI, and in the brackets where it says paste transcript here, I'm going to do just that. I'm going to paste the transcript. And then where it says paste your tone style here, this is another set of instructions in the AI online marketing playbook, is where we teach you how to find what your tone and style is. And I already have done this exercise, and so I have my tone and style in a saved doc here. So I'm simply going to copy that, go back to Claude, and I'm going to paste it in here. All right. Perfect. Okay, so now I've got the transcript and I've got my tone and style, and so now I'm going to run the prompt and we're going to see what it's able to come up with. Okay, so it took about 30 seconds to generate, but here we are. Here's the article that it was able to come up with the headline, is Microsoft advertising worth it? The pros and cons, and then I'll read the first paragraph here. Microsoft advertising, formerly known as Bing Ads, allows business to advertise on the Bing search engine in Microsoft services. But is it a viable advertising platform compared to the dominant player, Google Ads? Here's an overview of the key pros and cons to consider when deciding whether Microsoft advertising is worth investing in. So good. So good, so good. And what's cool about this is because I pasted in my transcript, these pros and these cons and even that intro paragraph are based on what I talked about. And so it's not using its AI and fetching some points that are made out there on other articles that I don't agree with. It's actually using my transcript to form this article and do it in my tone. And so this is looking really, really, really good. And typically what I'll do after I get an output like this, I'll take the time, I'll thoroughly read it. I might cite a source or two in it, and if there's a sentence that I need to correct, I'll do that, or if there's any revisions that I need to make, I'll do that. But this got me 90 to 95% of the way there. And so my process after I reviewed it, I'd go in and add some images to an article, right? So let's actually do this next prompt. So with my website, I like to get this in HTML format. And so I'm gonna ask the AI to put this in basic HTML. So I'm gonna say, I'll say, perfect. Can you please put this in basic HTML? And then my website I'll use with P or paragraph tags. I'll do H3 tags and correct bulleted list formatting. Excellent. So now I'll paste that prompt in, input in. And you can see here it's starting to use some basic HTML, I see the H1 tag for the main heading of the article, the H3, the paragraph the tags. I see the formatting for the ordered list. So even if you don't know HTML, right now the AI is going through and doing that for us. So once this is complete, I'm gonna be able to go right into my website platform and paste this HTML in. All right, so it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into my website. I'm gonna copy this, and actually it provides some instructions here at the bottom, so let me not include that. All right, so I'll copy this. I'll go into my website platform, which is Kajabi. I will then find the blog post that I started here, Google Ads versus Microsoft Advertising. And in here, what I'll do is I'll embed the video at the top, and then I will simply paste in what it just gave us. And with one small revision, my website platform already creates an H1 tag at the top of the page. And so I do not need the H1 tag that Claude gave me. All right. And so here you go. Let's take the time. Let's quickly look at this in full screen. It was able to paste it in proper HTML. And let's preview this. Let me save this as unpublished. And then I'll preview what it's going to look like here. All right, Google Ads versus Microsoft Advertising. You've got all this. And again, so I'm going to take some time. I'm going to read it, add cite sources. If there's any sentences that I need to change, I will go ahead and do this. But this is a full article based completely off my YouTube transcript, which is so awesome, and it's written in my tone. So my next steps with this will be to make sure I've got a proper title tag, meta description, add some images in here, maybe a call to action, and that's it. So you can see how fast this process was compared to 5 to 10 years ago, where if you wanted an article like this, you'd have to hire a freelancer or a team member and educate them on what you wanted them to write, and there would be research. And you can literally take your talking points from a YouTube transcript and now within a matter of seconds create a full article based on your topic and in your tone. It's absolutely incredible, and you can save so much time this year for your business.